Hyatt Ziva Cana opened in 2019, which means something important for anyone booking right now. This property hasn't hit the decade mark where major wear and tear starts showing up in guest rooms and public spaces. You're essentially getting a nearly new resort, which matters when you're comparing all-inclusive options in Punta Cana, where some properties have been running hard for 15 or 20 years. The infrastructure is modern, the plumbing works the way it should, and you won't find that tired, faded look that creeps into older beachfront hotels. That's the kind of detail that doesn't make it into glossy brochures but absolutely affects your day-to-day experience. This five-star property sits on 40 acres of oceanfront land at Playa Juanillo in Cana. The resort is managed by Hyatt Hotels Corporation under their Ziva brand. Getting here from Punta Cana International Airport takes somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes depending on traffic, which is refreshingly short compared to some Punta Cana resorts that require 40-minute transfers. That airport proximity means you're on the beach with a drink in hand, while travelers headed to more remote properties are still watching palm trees roll past their shuttle windows. The resort contains 375 suites total, and every single room falls into the suite category rather than offering standard hotel rooms. That's not just marketing language. Even the entry-level accommodations here give you more space than a typical hotel room, with private balconies looking out over white sand beach and palm trees. These aren't cramped boxes where you're tripping over your suitcase every time you stand up. The baseline suite gives you room to actually unpack, spread out, and live comfortably for a week without feeling like you're camping in a closet. The swim-up junior suites take that foundation and add direct pool access from your private balcony. Picture rolling out of bed, stepping through your sliding door, and lowering yourself into the pool without navigating elevators, lobbies, or claiming a chair. For some travelers, that convenience factor alone justifies any price difference. You're eliminating the morning scramble for poolside real estate and creating a semi-private swimming experience. It's the kind of feature that sounds like a luxury until you actually use it, and then it becomes the thing you mention first when friends ask about your trip. At the top of the accommodation ladder sits the Ocean View Grand Master Suite, clocking in at 1,345 square feet. That's bigger than many people's actual apartments. You get a separate living room, which matters more than you might think when you're traveling with family or friends and someone wants to stay up reading while others sleep. The suite includes a king bed, a queen sleeper sofa, a whirlpool tub, and a balcony with ocean views. This isn't a room where you're just sleeping and showering. It's a legitimate living space where you could comfortably spend a rainy afternoon without feeling trapped or going stir-crazy. The layout gives you options, and options are what separate a good vacation from a great one. All suites come with late checkout based on availability, which is one of those policies that can save a trip when you have an evening flight and don't want to spend 6 hours killing time in an airport. The standard check-in time is 3 in the afternoon, and checkout happens at 11 in the morning. Those times are pretty typical for Caribbean resorts, but it's worth noting because they affect how you plan your first and last days. The property offers multiple on-site restaurants with different cuisine types. What matters for trip planning is knowing that dining options exist on property, and you won't need to leave the resort to find a decent meal. All-inclusive resorts live or die by their food quality, and having multiple restaurants means you're not eating the same buffet 3 times a day for a week. Variety matters when you're staying put at one property, and the ability to choose different cuisines and atmospheres keeps meals from becoming monotonous. The resort features 4 outdoor swimming pools spread across the property. These aren't identical pools lined up in a row. They serve different purposes and create different atmospheres, which means you can move around depending on whether you want a party vibe, a quiet corner, or something in between. Several pools include swim-up bars, which eliminate the wet footprints and dripping swimsuit walk to get a fresh drink. You're staying in the water, staying cool, and keeping the vacation momentum going without constant interruptions. The pool complex includes infinity pools that create that seamless visual blend between pool edge and ocean horizon. It's the kind of design feature that photographs beautifully, but also genuinely enhances the experience by removing visual barriers between you and the Caribbean. The waterpark section adds a lazy river and 3 slides, which shifts the resort firmly into family-friendly territory. Lazy rivers are underrated. They give you something to do that's more engaging than sitting but less demanding than actual swimming, and they're perfect for that post-lunch period when you're too full to be active but too restless to nap. The beach location at Juanillo Beach puts you directly on the sand with ocean access. 40 acres of oceanfront property means the beach doesn't feel crowded even when the resort runs at capacity. You can walk down the sand and find your own space rather than squeezing between other guests' chairs. The difference between a spacious beach and a cramped one affects your entire stay. Nobody wants to spend a week listening to strangers' conversations and dodging flying beach toys because everyone's packed in like sardines. Activities on property include snorkeling in the Caribbean, which suggests relatively calm, clear water suitable for beginners and families. You're not just staring at a beach. You're able to get in the water and actually see something beyond sand and your own feet. The resort also offers canoeing, billiard tables, and yoga classes. That activity mix covers a decent range from athletic to leisurely, giving you options whether you wake up energized or sluggish. Live shows run regularly, providing evening entertainment beyond just sitting at a bar. The quality of resort entertainment varies wildly across the Caribbean, but having scheduled programming at least gives you something to do after dinner besides scrolling through your phone. Rum tastings appear on the activity roster, which makes sense given the Dominican Republic's rum production history. It's a chance to try local products with some context, rather than just ordering whatever's on the rail at the bar. Golfers can access Punta Espada Golf Club, located about 1.5 miles from the resort. Punta Espada consistently ranks among the Caribbean's top courses, so this isn't just a mediocre resort course thrown together to check a box. Serious golfers will find legitimate challenge and quality here. The proximity means you're not losing half a day to transportation just to play 18 holes. The spa includes 18 massage rooms and a hydrotherapy circuit. 18 treatment rooms is substantial for a resort spa. It suggests capacity to handle demand without requiring reservations weeks in advance or turning guests away. The hydrotherapy circuit typically includes features like contrast pools, jets, and temperature variations designed to relax muscles and improve circulation. It's the kind of amenity you might skip on a short trip but becomes valuable on a longer stay when you want variety beyond pool and beach. An outdoor oasis lagoon adds another water feature to the spa area, creating a dedicated wellness zone separate from the main pool scene. This spatial separation matters because it lets you choose your atmosphere. If you want quiet and calm, you head to the spa area. If you want music and activity, you hit the main pools. Having distinct zones prevents the resort from feeling like one homogeneous blob where everywhere feels the same. The fitness center gives you options for maintaining workout routines or burning off all-inclusive meal guilt. Resort fitness centers range from sad treadmills in a hot room to legitimately equipped gyms, and while specific equipment details weren't provided, the fact that it's mentioned as a facility suggests it's more than an afterthought. Free Wi-Fi in public areas keeps you connected without forcing you to pay for in-room internet, though whether you want to spend your Caribbean vacation online is a personal question worth considering before you leave home. The resort offers free parking in an off-site car park, which matters if you're renting a vehicle to explore the area rather than staying on property the entire time. A paid airport shuttle is available, giving you a middle option between expensive taxis and the hassle of arranging your own transportation. Tour and ticket assistance at the concierge desk helps you book off-property excursions without spending hours researching options or worrying about sketchy operators. Nearby attractions include Hyatt Ziva, a 10-minute drive from the resort. This natural cenote features striking blue water and limestone formations, providing a solid half-day excursion that feels distinctly different from beach time. Marina Cap Cana sits 10 minutes away, offering boat access and a different coastal atmosphere if you want a change of scenery. The marina area includes restaurants and shops, creating an option for an evening out beyond the resort property. Punta Espada Golf Club's proximity has already been mentioned, but it's worth emphasizing for golf-focused travelers building their itinerary. Indigenous Eyes Ecological Reserve sits a few miles away, protecting freshwater lagoons and indigenous forest. This nature preserve offers hiking trails and swimming in natural lagoons, giving you a break from chlorinated pools and salt water. The preserve is close enough for a morning excursion without consuming your entire day. The luxury shopping center sits 10 minutes away for travelers who need retail therapy or forgot to pack something essential. Cana Island is accessible by catamaran, offering the classic Caribbean day trip experience of white sand, turquoise water, and temporary escape to a less developed island. These excursions provide variety and prevent the cabin fever that can set in even at a nice resort after several days of the same scenery. Keeping it real, what's clear is that this is a relatively new property, so you're less likely to face the maintenance issues that plague older resorts. The all-inclusive model means your experience will heavily depend on food quality and service standards, which can fluctuate based on season, staffing, and management decisions. No resort is perfect, and your experience will vary depending on your room category, travel season, and personal expectations. What makes Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana stand out from the dozens of other Punta Cana all-inclusive resorts is primarily that 2019 opening date. You're getting modern infrastructure and contemporary design without the premium prices that brand-new resorts command in their first year or two. The 40-acre footprint provides space that many competitors can't match, reducing that crowded feeling that turns some all-inclusive properties into spring break chaos. The suite-only room configuration means even budget bookings get more space than typical hotel rooms, which matters when you're spending a week in residence. The combination of family-friendly features like water park slides and lazy river with adult amenities like the spa and swim-up suites creates flexibility for different traveler types. This isn't exclusively a kids' resort or an adults-only property. It's trying to serve multiple markets, which can be a strength or weakness depending on what you're seeking. If you want guaranteed peace and quiet, an adults-only resort makes more sense. If you're traveling with extended families spanning multiple generations, the variety here accommodates everyone's needs. The location in Cap Cana rather than Bavaro or Punta Cana proper puts you in a more exclusive area with less development and fewer crowds. Cap Cana was designed as an upscale resort community, and that planning shows in wider beaches, better infrastructure, and more space between properties. You're paying somewhat more for Cap Cana location, but you're getting tangible benefits in terms of beach quality and overall atmosphere. For travelers considering the Ocean View Grand Master Suite, the math gets interesting if you're splitting costs among multiple couples or a large family. That 1,345 square feet with separate living space and multiple beds could replace booking 2 or 3 standard rooms at another property. You're paying more per night for the suite, but potentially less per person, while gaining communal space that makes group travel more enjoyable. Running the numbers based on your specific group size and travel dates will reveal whether the upgrade makes financial sense beyond just being a nice luxury. The all-inclusive model eliminates the daily mental math of calculating meal costs and drink prices. You know your total spend before you arrive, which provides budget certainty that's valuable for many travelers. The trade-off is less flexibility to explore local restaurants and experiences off-property, since you've already paid for on-site dining. How you value that trade-off depends on whether you prefer predictable costs or spontaneous exploration. The resort includes standard services like concierge desk, room service, housekeeping, safe deposit box, luggage storage, and locker rooms. These aren't exciting features, but their absence would be notable. They're the infrastructure that makes a resort function smoothly rather than creating daily frustrations. The hairdresser on property saves you from arriving at dinner with beach hair or needing to track down salon services off-property. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.